Блять, капать. Ебаный в рот. Видел, смотри.
The wind blows the plane in Kazakhstan by 30 degrees right in front of astonished passengers. They sit quietly, don't touch anyone, shoot video from the window. And suddenly, in front of their eyes, a huge Boeing 737 begins to move under gusts of a wind directly clockwise. What was their amazement when they saw this? The Skat airline company confirmed that the wind in Almaty is of great power, and now it blows away even parked planes that are fixed. Well, there were no passengers inside and no one was injured, but the weather in Kazakhstan is terrible. To learn more about Kazakhstan, subscribe this channel. This is Tanir Bergen. See you.